Hi kids. Let's learn 100 popular words in Nepali. Let's go.
फल,
Fruit,
स्यो,
apple,
अंगुर,
grapes,
अम्बा,
guava,
खरबुजा,
watermelon,
आँप,
mango,
केरा,
banana,
कटहर,
jackfruit,
तरकारी,
vegetables,
प्याज,
onions,
कागती,
lemon,
लसुन,
garlic,
गोलभेडा,
tomato,
च्याउ,
mushroom,
फर्सी,
pumpkin,
काँक्रो,
cucumber,
शरीरको भाग,
body part,
आँखा,
eye,
कान,
ears,
मुटु,
heart,
नाक,
nose,
खुट्टा,
leg,
जुङ्गा,
moustache,
कपाल,
hair,
जनावर,
animals,
बिरालो,
cat,
कुकुर,
dog,
माछा,
fish,
सिंह,
lion,
खरायो,
rabbit,
सर्प,
snake,
बाघ,
tiger,
घोडा,
horse,
मगर,
alligator,
गधा,
donkey,
ऊँट,
camel,
हात्ती,
elephant,
स्याल,
fox,
कमिला,
ant,
भ्यागुतो,
frog,
लामखुट्टे,
mosquito,
चरा,
bird,
कुखुरा,
hen,
गाई,
cow,
बाख्रा,
goat,
बाँदर,
monkey,
भालु,
bear,
काग,
crow,
परिवार,
family,
बुबा,
father. Wow, you are doing amazing. We've made it halfway. What has been your favorite word so far? Tell us in the comments. And if you are having fun, give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button.
आमा,
Mother,
केटी,
girl,
केटा,
boy,
छोरी,
daughter,
भाइ,
brother,
बहिनी,
sister,
सङ्ख्याहरू,
numbers,
शून्य,
0,
egg
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
6
6,
7
7,
8
8,
9
9,
10
10,
20
20,
50
50,
100
100,
1000
1,000,
चूड़ा
bangle,
छाता
umbrella,
टोपी
hat,
हार
necklace,
खल्ती
pocket,
चस्मा
glasses,
कैंची
scissors,
पुस्तक
book,
ओछ्यान
bed,
ऐना
mirror,
पानी
water,
चक्कु
knife,
बल
ball,
रुख
tree,
पात
leaf,
फूल
flower,
प्रश्नहरू
questions,
सुन
gold,
घर
house,
धन्यवाद
thank you,
आगो
fire,
थाली
plate,
निद्रा
sleep,
दूध
milk,
महिला
woman,
पुरुष
man,
हजुरआमा
grandmother,
बच्चा
baby. Yay! You did it! You learned the first 100 popular words in Nepali. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe for more fun lessons. And click the links in our description to get your printable flashcards and posters. Thank you for learning with us and see you next time. Bye bye.